Karl Rove is trying to rewrite history when it comes to President Obama and spending. Listen to the latest ad from his group.
Why isn't the economy stronger? In the seconds it takes to watch this, our national debt will increase 1.4 million. Now he's adding $4 billion in debt every day, borrowing from China for his spending. Every second, growing our debt faster than our economy. Tell Obama, stop the spending.
Funny, Rove didn't stop the spending when President Bush was in office. Under Bush, the national debt increased by 86%. Now, I know the right wing may say the national debt's gone up more under President Obama than under Bush. But you know what's a huge part of that? Bush's policies. Check out this chart outlining the causes of the national deficit. See the red part? Taking up most of the space is this red part. Those are the Bush tax cuts. And another huge part of the deficits come from the wars that Bush got us into. But if Rove's serious about cutting spending, I'm sure he'd agree to having the tax cuts go, right? Wrong. On his Super PAC's website, it says they support House Bills 206 and 86, which would make the Bush tax cuts permanent. Karl Rove and the rest of his right wing are perfectly happy to keep on spending money as long as they're the ones who get to do it. Didn't he think we would notice his hypocrisy in this? Nice try, but we got you.